back again with you today to continue our chapter 4, the nervous system. In my previous video, I taught you about the nervous system. Hope you got it. Let's understand the function of the different parts of nervous system. Here we have brain. Brain is one of the most important organs in our body. It receives messages from different parts of the body, processes them and then sends instructions to different parts. It works like a computer. If the CPU, monitor, keyboard, UPS and mouse were different parts of a body, which one would be the brain? And the answer is CPU. The brain is made up of cells. On the outside, it is protected by the hard, bony skull. Between the skull and the brain, there is a fluid. This fluid acts as a shock absorber and protects the delicate brain from injuries. Our brain is the most complicated organ of our body. The human brain is the messaging center of the nervous system. It is protected by the skull. It has three major parts: cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem, which is also known as medulla. So we'll continue with it. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the upper part of the brain. It is dome shaped and is the largest part of the brain. It is covered with deep ridges and grooves and looks like a walnut. The cerebrum controls our thinking, learning ability, memory and basic intelligence. It also controls our sense organs. Cerebrum is the biggest and the upper part of the brain. ये दिखने में अखरोट की तरह लगता है. It is divided into 4 areas, control different parts of our body. The back area controls the vision, while other area control functions like movement, speech, memory, emotions and touch. Now the next part is cerebellum. The cerebellum is located below the cerebrum toward the back of the brain. It is much smaller than the cerebrum. It controls the muscle movement and help us to keep our balance. If the cerebellum is not functioning well, our body posture is affected and movement becomes jerky. The cerebellum is known as the little brain. The cerebellum located below the cerebrum. जो हम बिना गिरे चलते हैं और नई चीज़ों को सीखते हैं, ये cerebellum से ही possible है. Next is medulla. The medulla is a stem-shaped structure. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. The medulla controls all our involuntary activities such as breathing, heartbeat and blood circulation. The medulla works even while we are asleep. The right half of the brain controls the left side of the body. Similarly, the left half of the brain controls the right side of the body. Thus, when one side of the brain is damaged, the opposite side of the body gets affected. Now see here, below the cerebrum and in front of the cerebellum lies a stem shaped. It is called medulla. What it is called? Medulla. The brain is connected to spinal cord through the medulla. It transmits the messages that the brain and the rest of the body sends back. It is in charge of all the automatic function of the body like respiration, digestion and blood circulation. हमें इसके लिए कोई एफर्ट्स नहीं करनी पड़ती हैं. ये फंक्शंस हमारी बॉडी में अपने आप होते हैं, तभी तो इनको ऑटोमेटिक फंक्शंस कहते हैं. That's all for today. We'll continue our chapter in our next class. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day.